This is unboxing that we have for today. The latest generation of power supply from Asus Republic of Gamer ROG. We're gonna open it, just unboxing. We're gonna check whatever is in the box, and then later we probably connect it to see the RGBs and all that. But today we're also gonna be like testing, because today I do have all the equipments over here to test the RGBs from the Jonesbot CA fans, the Corsair, the Q-Link, the QX, and the Leon Lee LCD screen. So first of all, let me tell you about what it says about this power supply. It says that you can remove the screen over here. It shows whatever you're getting out of the core, out of the wall. But I mean, it is not up to me just to say whatever it has. It's just unboxing, because over here we got this is the reason why. This is the reason why I bought it. Is the GPU voltage stabilizer. This is the one reason, because I mean, as I was gonna tell, I had a problem with Asus. It's like I had this the 1200 watt platinum 2. I got the box over here. This one I had it. I sent it to Asus because for some reason it was working, but when under a GPU load, it shut it down. I sent it to them, and they said it couldn't be fixed. So they didn't have anything to replace it with. So they bought it back. They bought it back. It's like they gave me the money that I paid for the power supply. Nice gesture. The only problem that I have with the old stuff, that it was like a month. It was like a month. It was the 19th last month. I sent the power supply. I sent them the power supply. I had to pay the shipment. That's weird. That's weird, because it's I've sent some stuff to the warranty before. I sent the Corsair Xenon Flex. I send a CPU, Intel 13900K. I send it to the warranty. I didn't have to pay anything to send it to the warranty. For what reason, I don't know. I paid overnight, and it was like 60 bucks, 60 some bucks after taxes. But I mean, it is like I was kind of upset, because whatever time they took for the whole stuff, it was like a month. But it didn't affect me that much, because I have two computers. But the problem is, like, if you're a gamer, if you're this guy that buy this expensive stuff and all that, I mean, if you already know, I mean, you test it, you already know 2 days later, you already know that it's like you're not gonna replace it, because you don't have any replacement. It's not working, and whatever you're gonna do, please, I mean, couple of weeks is enough. It was like I had the computer down for a whole month, so if I don't have anything else, if I didn't have anything else, probably I would have like the computer shut down for the whole month without playing anything. That's what I didn't like from the whole process. Luckily, I have two computers. I mean, they're pretty good. The one has the 4090 ROG that I bought it from Asus, and the other one had the 5090 ROG that I also bought it from Asus. But I mean, it was like a whole month without a computer. So I mean, it is like you did it right. I mean, you give me the money back, and I end up buying this new power supply that as I told you, I only bought it because of the GPU voltage stabilizer, because I wanted to pair it with the 5090, because I mean everybody knows the new connector with all those 4090 and 5090. Those connectors is a piece of shit. So I mean, it was like I was trying. I'm trying to save my. I'm trying to. I mean, to save my money. I mean, I don't want to throw it away because the connector burnt out. So we're good. So we're. I mean, that was what I mean what I had to say about Asus. Now we're gonna go to the unboxing. Just unboxing. Let me get the whatever they had over here. That's my magic knife. So open this shit. Today we're gonna see whatever is in the box. This is they call this the best feeling. I don't give a shit about this, but there we go. There we go. So let me open it like this. We got the ROG Thor 1201 for Platinum 3. So here we go. Let me see what we have on the box over here. Probably it's just some papers, whatever. I have the MSI, the best MSI, and I've heard whatever is going down with MSI, with the connectors, with the 12-volt connector for the GPUs. Oh shit! I mean, this motherfucker looks nice, man. I was expecting a bigger one. I don't know why, but this. Oh wow! Look at this. Got the ROG's symbol over here. We got the screen over here. I don't know if you can see it, but I mean, we're just gonna take it out of the box. Let's check this out. Wow, how do we open this? What we got? What we got? It's down here. This power supply has all the certifications. It got it's a platinum. It's also certified by cybernetics and all that. A plus and all that. I don't know if it is come with in the box, but it comes with all that. It got a native connector for the GPU, and this connector over here is the one the sensor for this one with a different color is the one with the voltage stabilizer. So I mean, this is just an unboxing. So we got the PSU out. Let's see how many cables comes inside the box. Solution. What is this? Let's check it out. Zip ties, more zip ties, and then we got the cables. Then we got the power cord. It did come inside. It didn't come inside this shit. Made me wonder if they drop it in the last second. It doesn't have the, as I can see, it doesn't have the plastic cover for this one, for the connector. I mean, I don't mind that, but that's what I'm seeing so far. Let's check this out. Let's go. Let's put the PSU. Let's put the box down here. And let's see all the cables that comes with it. This, man, what's going on with Asus, man? This is the SATA cables. SATA cables. Let's open this real quick. ID cable, SATA cable, another ID cable. This is RGB cable, another SATA cable. Man, this is, I mean, I like being inside an island and all that, inside a bag, but I mean, it's like, this is poor. This is poor, I mean, poor presentation for these cables, man. This is, I mean, as far as they work, we're good. But we're talking about a $500 PSU. I mean, it is like, send the cables in another money, man. It's like, spend your time. It's like doing something with the cables, man. We got this look like the CPU cable. This is the power cord. I mean the power for the motherboard. What is this? PCI Express. PCI Express. What is this? Looks like the CPU. This is another PCI Express. Another PCI Express. And I guess this is the one for the graphic card. So for the graphic card, they both come together. I didn't know. What's going on with this cable? Oh wow. Yeah, I understand now. Let's go. It goes to the graphic card over here. This bullshit connector, 600 watts. I'm gonna put it with the 5090. Letting you know that right now. And this is the connector for the, what's going on? The connector for the power supply with this over here. If you wanna do it like, I mean, I was reading about it. If you just wanna do it like CPU voltage controller, like every other power supply, you just have to disconnect this one. But I mean, if you want to, like I do, I want to the voltage controller for the graphic card, then you connect it, and that's the only reason. Because I mean, I have the other one, the Meg, the 1600 watts from MSI, super good power supply. But I mean, with this graphic card that they putting out and these connectors that they're putting out right now, I mean, you never know. That this I thought, because I saw it on one of the, it was I guess it was a video on, I don't know, a promotion or whatever, that this was supposed to be like a dark, like the MSI got the yellow distinguisher that you connect, and if you don't see the yellow, it's supposed to be well connected. But I thought I mean, I can't swear, I mean, I think I saw it. I mean, it was supposed to be like purple, but I mean, it doesn't have it. It doesn't come with a purple, so I don't know if it is the 1600 watts, I don't know. But I mean, it is This is what it came inside the bag. So this is what I have for. This is what I have for today in English. I mean, the unboxing of the 1200 watts ROG Platinum 3 power supply. And the other thing that I had for today in English is the updating the BIOS for the MSI Go like. Now we're going to Spanish for the rest of my guys. You know, the ones that's all the time arguing with me about the all the shit on computers and all that. I mean, it is what it is, man.